Hi everyone and Happy New Year. I hope you are starting this year strong and you are ready to learn something new. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up Next.js step by step. Be with me and let's jump right in. Before we install Next.js, let's make sure you have a couple of tools ready. First, you need Node.js installed on your system, and to check it, open your terminal and this CMD by Windows R, and here we have CMD. After OK, here we should write this command, node-v, to know the version of your Node.js installed on your system. And as you can see, the version of Node on my system is 20. And if you see a version number, it's great. If not, head over to nodejs.org and download the latest version of your Node.js. And you'll also need a package manager like npm, which comes with Node.js or Yarn if you prefer. To check npm type, you should write this command, npm-v. And as you can see, the version of npm on my system is 8. If both are good, we are ready to move on. Next.js provides a really simple way to get started. Open your terminal and run this command, npx create-next-app, and just here we should write down @, and if you want to install the latest version of Next.js on your system, here you should write latest. But if you have some specific version in your mind, you can just write down here that version, the number of that version. Here we go. If I click on enter, this will ask you a few questions. What is your project named? I want to start with my app and enter. As you can see, it's right down. Would you like to use TypeScript? If you need TypeScript and you are working with TypeScript, you can choose yes. But I want to click on no. And would you like to use ESLint? And I recommend selecting yes to catch errors. And would you like to use Tailwind CSS? If you are working with Tailwind, you can choose yes. But if you don't, you can choose no. And of course, if you choose no and do not install Tailwind CSS here, basically on your Next.js app, after that you can install it separately on your project. But I want to click on yes and choose yes. And here we go. Would you like your code inside the source directory? I do not want to select yes because source directory, it's not something I'm going to work with in this version of Next.js. So I select no, and after that, let's write down, would you like to use app router? Yes, app router is something I need. And would you like to use TurboPack for Next.dev? I choose no. And would you like to customize the importalize? Yes. If you choose yes, you can customize the importali by this @/*, and if I put enter, everything comes right and our project is going to install. Once the setup finish, you'll see a new folder created with your project name. But my mistake is I didn't specify the folder directory, and it's just made in my user and my name Amin, and here we go. This is my app that we are created now. But here you can just write down, for example, cd and desktop, and after that install your projects and it will create on your desktop. But here let's open the project in your code editor. I'm using VS Code, so I run code my app, the name of my project. Now, as you can see, we have our project, our first Next.js project open in our VS Code, and here we go. Now you'll find the project structure. Here is a quick overview. The app folder inside our directory is where you create your routes, and the public folder is for static assets like images, and there is a package.json here, file listing all dependencies. Don't worry, we'll dive deeper in future videos. And to see your app in action, you can open terminal in your VS Code by Control and backtick, or open it from here and terminal, new terminal here. We just write down npm run dev, and after click you can see we have this URL here. This local one is localhost 3000 port. Here we go. Open this URL in your browser and you'll see the Next.js default starter page like this. Congratulations, you've just set up your first Next.js project. Let's make a small change to see how easy it is to work with Next.js. You should open app folder here in page.js, and here we go. I want to, for example, change read our docs to, for example, hello world. After you save it, you can see it changed to hello world, this button. And now you've installed your first Next.js project successfully. That is for today's video. You've successfully installed and run a Next.js project. If you found this helpful, put like and comment for me, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Be nice guys, and farewell developers.